Yo, what up, guys? Welcome to the last market outlook for the YouTube. We're gonna start off right away with DXY. Have a quick look at the economic calendar first, right? Tomorrow is Juneteenth for USD, so bank holiday. Nothing much happening further. President Lagarde is gonna speak. I don't know about what, but I'll find out in a second. We have core retail sales for CAD on Tuesday, so that's actually a good mover. CPI for pound, that's going to be a nice one. So I'm gonna see if GJ and GU have some higher time frame POIs where it can draw into, and CPI should be a nice volatility injection. So and also CAD CPI, damn, that's Wednesday is going to be a good one. Let me see, on Thursday, Euro PMI, that's also a good one. So this whole week, Forex should move pretty nicely. Fed Chair Powell testifies. Oh no, let me check out what is he gonna testify about. That's most of the time he's gonna say something and then it's gonna be some whipsaw effect. Semi-annual monetary policy reports. All right, so that should be something, right? Bank holiday for NZD. I don't trade NZD much or at all. And then on Friday, some medium impact, nothing too much. So this week should be a good moving week. No consolidation. I don't expect any consolidation or anything. Just straight up clean price action. So looking at DXY right now, let's go to the daily time frame. And I need to learn how to put annotations in like different folders, but I will work on that for the next time. We had this huge bull run, right, all the way up into this weekly fair value gap. As stated on the last market outlook, I said we should draw into there, and there was SMT at the start, I think. Yeah, at the start. And I told you guys, I don't really think this is the top yet. We need to draw into the weekly fair value gap, which is still up there. Now we had a nice reaction, right? We had a 230 pip drop. We have to wait on this week because I actually don't see why it should move bearish, but short term it could draw bearish, but I'll explain in a second. So right now on the 4 hour we're in OTE levels. We're trading from discount to premium, so this is equilibrium of the range. So we went into discount, right? That fair value gap got hit, and then we started to move up. Now something that could happen is we're going to draw lower again and dip one more time into discount for a move up. But if you use the market cycles, we have accumulation, then expansion, and then a reversal. Most of the time it's not accumulation and then a reversal, because this move would be a reversal. So that's why I believe we can draw higher, even though I have this arrow lower. So that's why I also have this one over here, wait on Monday's price action. So that's going to tell us a little bit more about how the week is going to expand. Looking at the weekly, yeah, we did go into that weekly fair value gap. It's a little bit hard to see with all the annotations, but we did wick into it. This is why I think we could expand lower first, because we have this fair value gap created. So we can dip in it and then start to move up again. So that's why I think short-term bearishness could be happening, and then it should wick lower, right? So like I think it's lower than this one. That's previous weekly low, and then it's a weekly fair value gap. So yeah, that's my price action anticipation for DXY. So that would mean an IOFET on the weekly time frame. So let's go to Euro USD. Starting soon. Nope, we're started already. So same situation. We went into premium, right? DXY in discount, EU in premium. There's still a daily order block up higher, and with the DXY potentially drawing lower, we should see higher prices on EU, but really need to wait for Monday's price action, I cannot tell right now. But we're in discount. We're bouncing from it. So if we keep this low intact from this previous from the previous day, I would expect it to draw higher into the daily order block, and that would make DXY go down. Now I have this over here. This is something I'm testing out currently. So if it would be a sell day, I wouldn't see price higher than this line, and we should break this line. So if price trades above this, I would expect more upside. So this is something I'm currently back testing, and let's see how tomorrow trades, and if it can stay below this line, and if it does go higher, I expect it to trade higher. So let's go to GU. Same situation. This is all based off DXY going bearish, right? So I have to wait on Monday's price action. I don't know how Monday is formed. If it forms bullish on DXY, it should go lower on the foreign currencies. So EU, GU down first. So yeah, this is just an anticipation. That's why a market outlook on Sunday is a little bit harder to do, because if I do a market outlook on Monday, it's I have more information, right? So we got to keep that in mind. But right now we're respecting bullish PD arrays, right? We're sitting on we respected this bullish fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap. We're in this bullish fair value gap at the moment, right? But we hit a premium array over here in a bearish fair value gap. So if we're bearish, we should trade down from here. But again, we have like accumulation, then expansion. This should not be the reversal. So then we have a reversal over here. So now we could have expansion, and then if we start to consolidate and we trade lower, then I expect definitely it to go higher. So that's for GU. GU could be more consolidating because of CPI, right? So if you look at the economic calendar and you see certain high impact news events, for instance, for GBP, you can expect a little bit more of a seek and destroy profile for the days leading up to the news event. So yeah, we have to monitor how that moves. So yeah, let's wait on Monday again. Let's go to EURGBP. I'm favoring bullish price action. If you guys were in the live stream Thursday, this fair value gap was outlined, right? It was a gray box back on the live stream, but this is holding nicely. And this is the area I would have anticipated price to hold. High probability fair value gap over here. Still expecting more upside for EG. And the reason is, if I zoom out, this equal highs right now. It went 1 or 2 pips through it, so that's not convincing, right? Even though we traded pretty far down. So 200 pips down after that little wick out. But yeah, definitely I see trade rebalancing over here and then eventually taking out this high. So let's go to GJ. If we're anticipating a weekly bearish expansion, I want to see the previous high get rated and Monday and Tuesday an expansion down the rest of the week. Now, why do I say this? I'm gonna cough in a second, so bear with me. Okay, so I'm back. I muted myself. Look at the liquidity at the moment, right? I stated you guys were in the last market outlook. We were up here, right? I stated we could have a potential 900 pip drop. We dropped 750 pips from the market outlook from last week. Now we still have these equal lows here. We did a nice retrace back into premium. I would still favor it to go down actually, and that's because of JPY strength. So yeah, the most high probable situation would be we take a previous weekly high, go once more in this fair value gap. If we go to the daily time frame, this is the balance price range I talked about last week, I think. or the week before. Yeah, this was this one, but we did actually take this high. Sorry if I'm muted sometimes, I'm coughing, so still have a little bit of a cough. So yeah, this is a high probable situation to me. Pairing up your sell orders with buy stops from retailers, right? So this is retail buy stops over here. And then if we can take a sell, all the breakout traders will get smoked and we go down, right? That's what I'm anticipating. But again, let's see how Monday and Tuesday trades. So if we start to trade up, like slowly and taking it out, and then I expect a big drop after. So, but again, also you can, this is the thing with the market outlook, right? You have to adjust your bias if you see certain things happen. So I can anticipate some things based on PD arrays which are currently showing a respect or a disrespect, right? But if it starts to break through those PD arrays, which I thought would hold, then you can switch your bias, right? So don't marry the bias. You have to trade what you see and not what you think, or stick to the bias you had at the beginning, right? Always anticipate and move with the flow of the market. So yeah, this it's going to be interesting if we trade above this. This is institutional level 2, 66,200. So if you can do like a 30 pip sweep, and then it doesn't have to fill in the fair value gap fully. And then if you can drop after, that would be beautiful. So let's see how that one goes. This one I will keep my eye on. I will be on vacation from next week. So I'm still here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday probably. But after Wednesday, I'm gonna go on vacation and I will be back 1st of July. And then we're gonna kick it off with the Discord group. So that's gonna be good. So let's go to USDCAD. Same thing, right? It just wicked out a little bit on the previous monthly high. Let me remove everything, right? So it's, in my eyes, this is equal highs still. So would we start to trade down? I would expect it to trade in this fair value gap. But I guess this is still in premium. So let me take a range real quick. Yeah, this is still in premium. The weekly. Yeah, I don't think it will trade that low. That's pretty far away. Then we would go in a sell model. And if DXY goes down, then it would push it down. But looking at EURGBP, it's looking like we could potentially. No, actually, yeah. So if I looked at GCAD and EURGBP, there could be a potential run lower. So that would push USDCAD down, even if DXY goes bullish. If the Canadian dollar is stronger than the American dollar, right, the US dollar, then it will still draw lower. So that's why sometimes you see USDCAD go bearish and DXY go bullish, and then it's like, shouldn't it like move in sync, right? But the Canadian dollar also correlates with oil, so those things can make it move opposite from DXY. So small run on liquidity, not convincing for a reversal in my opinion. If we do break through this fair value gap over here, I will expect more downside. And we still have this bullish order block here, so we need to trade through that first, do a retest, and then we're definitely in a sell model. But we need more price action. It's hard to tell when you're this close again to the equal highs. But I'm favoring a run above and then potential drop. So yeah, that's USDCAD. Let's see how that one trades. Let's go to. Did you guys hear me talk about Bitcoin in the last market outlook? Right, I said it would drop to 20K and then to 15K probably in the next few weeks. It did not disappoint at all. It just went straight. It went straight down to 20K, like the same week. So I don't think this is done. It will probably do one more run up and fake out some right, buy the dip guys, and then it will drop again to 15 and potential to 10K. So forget about crypto. It's gonna go down. Right, let's go to gold. Let me see what I drew out. I prepared the charts yesterday already, so expected rate of Friday's low and then expansion straight after. If we're going to draw bullish on the higher time frame, weekly fair value gap, this one is still in premium. Right now we're in discount, so I have to assume bullish price action, and that's because we took this liquidity over here. So this is actually a good institutional sponsorship of this order block over here. So drop back into OTE levels, and then I expect it to draw pretty high. And fundamentally speaking, it should draw higher, right? So 8.5% inflation in the United States, I think, and the whole world's going to shit soon. So gold should go up. A recession is coming, guys. So this is no joke. There will be a recession soon. So yeah, it is not good news, but I expect that to come in place soon, and it would draw gold also up higher. So right, in recession, gold goes up. So I expect it to draw and take out previous daily low tomorrow, and then potentially move up. So let's see. We also yeah, we have this fair value gap also here, but I don't think it should draw that low. Then it's potentially, if it draws that low, it's probably going to take out this LR down here. But yeah, we'll have to see how that trades. Looking at silver, let's correlate it, right? We have some relative equal highs up here, and then this trend line phantom going on. So that's even more liquidity to go up. And if silver pushes up, gold most of the time follows with it. So yeah, that's gold. US oil. US oil, same situation. I don't think this is like, I don't think oil is gonna drop too much. We need a little bit of a rebalance because it dropped pretty significantly. So back into the daily order block. If we go to daily time frame, right, we have a big bearish candle. It can tomorrow or the day after take out that low and then start to retrace into a premium, and then it should be a good. This should be a good area for a sell, because this area already took liquidity, right? And that's why I have the X here. And there's some more price action which confirms for me that this should be a good area. But yeah, that's for the group. So yeah, I think I covered everything. So YouTube guys, this is the final market outlook. The rest is going to be for the Discord community. If you want to enroll in there, you can either go to my Telegram or have to wait on my website to finish, because the bot is acting up at the moment. So I'm gonna probably close down the bot, and then yeah, we're gonna see. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like the market outlook, hopefully it will be accurate like every market outlook. So hit that like button or subscribe. I will still put out videos, probably some simulation sessions and the occasional educational video. So yeah, we'll speak soon.